The best way to do anything is to do it the right way the first time. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to Krystal TV, where today we are talking about spring cleaning the right way. And so when you want to start with spring cleaning, before you even get to the cleaning, you really just want to get the energy moving in your space again. And so the best way to do that is just to open up your windows. Literally just opening your windows for a couple of minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, even just 1 minute. If it's still too cold where you are to open your windows right now, just opening them for 1 minute will get the energy in your space moving. That will then help make it a little bit easier to get started on the next part of your spring clean, which you want to be decluttering. And if you want to declutter the right way, you're going to want to download my Declutter Your Mindset method at declutteryourmindset.com, and that'll take you through the 5 steps to decluttering the right way. As you declutter the space, that will further shift the energy in your space and get things moving, waking your space up from its winter hibernation, just like your physicality is waking up from its winter and moving into spring and summer. After you've done the decluttering, then it's time to get in and really clean the space. Move everything, clean under, behind, and around. Not just your smaller pieces, but the furniture as well. This is a good time to rearrange your space and really shift the energy and wake things up and shake things up in your space. And last, after you've done all of the cleaning, it's time to do a cleanse. You really want to cleanse the energy of the space to close out your spring cleaning ritual. And there are many, many ways that you can cleanse the space. You can burn salt. You can spread salt in the corners of your room or along the baseboards. You can clap. Clapping in the corners will help to shift the energy. You can ring a bell. There are so many ways to do the energy cleanse at the end. That finishing touch really closes out the ritual of doing your spring clean and cleanse to shift you energetically into the new season and the turning of really the wheel of the year, right? The cycle of the seasons. And so you want to do all 4 of those steps to really spring clean the right way if you want to see a different result in your life and get the energy flowing in your space after a long winter season of hibernation. And let me know in the comments below what more you would like to know about designing a space that you love. And while you're down there, don't forget to get your subscribe on so that you don't miss a single video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.